Hey guys, what's going on? Little quick update on the F250 project. So you guys want to check it out. It's a 97 F250 4-door. I got little man up here helping me out. Say what's up, little man.
Good.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Say hi to YouTube.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so we're up here working on the truck. You wanted to come up here and help me, so we got the steps put on it. Went down and got all new hardware, all new carriage bolts for them. So they look pretty good. So these are pretty easy to install. I already had the holes there, of course, because they came off the truck before I painted it. Still got to put my carpet sills on. I really wish I could afford to buy the ones from OBS Solutions, the aluminum ones. Those things are sweet. So the mirrors are on it. Got the F250 heavy duty badges back on it. I bought some XLT ones. These are the ones that came on the truck. So I painted the whole emblem inside and I cleared them. So look a lot better than they did when I took them off. So got those back on it. And bam, got the hood back on it. So it's still got to get cut and buffed. But overall it's looking pretty nice. Grill, if you guys are just checking in, last video put the grill, the headlights came from CP Attic. Grill and the bezels actually just came from Amazon. Same thing with the front bumper. Got the cab lights in and the F250 badge. One thing about these headlights, guys, don't forget to adjust your beams before you put this whole bezel on, because then the only screw you're going to be able to get to is the up and down, not the left and right. So one thing, keep you from pulling it back apart. So here she is from a wide angle. So let me know what you guys think of the step. So I found a color, kind of matches the inside of the grill. It's kind of like a black stainless color. And I painted, so my mirror caps are the same color, my steps are going to be the same color. And kind of matches like the smoked out look that my lights and stuff are. And then I won't show you guys the back yet, so you guys will just have to stay tuned for that. But so tail lights, those ones actually came from Amazon. They had really good reviews on them. Got my gas doors on. But yeah, guys, she's looking pretty good. Got my interior in. Let me show you guys this. I didn't do a video on this, sorry about it, because kind of last night I had the kids. Got my amp in there. I got this Rockford Fosgate. It's just a bass series, you know, like R2 or whatever they call it. It's alright, you know, it sounds good. It gives a little bit of depth to the radio. Got my amp mounted. All my wires are ran tucked so you can't see them. So still gotta clean it up back there. Got some wire shreds back there. But looks pretty good. Sounds good for just like one little 12. Like I said, nothing crazy, doesn't blow you out of the truck, but just wanted to show you guys that. But yeah, so got a long way to go. Gotta start working on the mechanical stuff, some underneath stuff. But just wanted to do a video for you guys, give you a quick update on it. I know some of my other videos have been super long, but yeah, I'm super stoked. Got the hood back on it. Just really completes the way the truck looks. So there you go. Picture will definitely be on Instagram. And then got my shifter boot over here, drying. Got all plastic painted on it, so when I put it back in, it'll look all nice and new. And hidden over there, got the rear bumper for it. So I'll be putting that on the next video, so you guys check in, let me know what you think about the truck. Oh yeah, I got my wiper cowling and stuff on the other day. Got my wiper arms, they're all painted the same charcoal color. So kind of goes with the overall theme. So let me know what you think, comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before Daytona truck meet. So I know those videos will be tearing it up. If you guys are going to the truck meet, please stop by, check me out with the truck. Also have my van there, so I got a long way to go, a lot of work to do before, got like 2.5 weeks, so it's gonna be some long nights, right buddy?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna be helping me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Looks like you're tuned into that tablet. But you worked hard helping me put the steps on, right? Right?
Yeah.
He's zoned out. He's finally checked out for the day, so he went to school all day, went to dinner with me, and we were up to Ace, the helpful place. Got some bolts and stuff, so yeah guys, appreciate everybody checking in. I am F250 project, so I'll leave this video here. Hope y'all have a great rest of the week. See you guys on the next video. It's already Wednesday, man. Shoot, this week's going by quick. So alright, that's the game. I'll see you guys on the next video. I know I said that like 100 times. Sorry, dude. I'm just tired. So appreciate it. Y'all have a great night.